In this video, we're going to learn how to write the date properly. So today's date is January 2nd. So the way that we write that is we have several choices. We can write January, just write it the whole thing. But normally we don't do that. Normally we abbreviate this word. So we would write J-A-N and put a period. The period means something's been left out. January, and it's the 2nd, so we will write number 2. We'll put a comma after the day, and then we'll put the year, and the year is 2025. So this is one way to write the date. Another way to write the date is, let's use a number for the month. So there are 12 months in a year. Every month has its own number. January is the first month, so we write number 1. If it were February, we would write 2. If it were December, we would write 12. Okay, now we're going to either use a dash like this, or we can also use a slash like this. All right, so January, dash or slash, it's the 2nd, so we will put number 2. And then for this way, since this is a shortened way to write the date, you just put the last 2 numbers, 25. Okay, so there are 3 ways that we can write the date.